Incredible. It's been reclaimed by the jungle. Let's start clearing the vines near the cockpit.
Look at the state of this fuselage.
I'm clearing the cockpit window now.
We need to document the corrosion levels immediately.
Okay, team, this is it. It's in rough shape, but we knew that. Let's start by clearing the main entrance.
I'll take the starboard side.
This matches the schematics. The structural integrity seems compromised here.
We should set up the base camp near the wing.
Here, careful. Hold that.
Here, careful. Hold that.
Here, easy now. Got it. Hold that steady. We're almost through this section.
Here. Careful. Hold that. Hold that.
Check that rivet. Hold steady. Hold steady.
Check that rivet. Hold steady. Check that rivet. Hold steady. Hold steady. Check that rivet.
Perfect. Everything aligned.
Flawless. Perfect. Everything aligned.
Flawless. Flawless.
Perfect. Everything aligned. Flawless.
Yeah.
Align this. Perfect. Check spacing.
Align this. Perfect. Check the spacing.
Symmetry is spot on. The LEDs look great.
Agreed. The client will be very happy with this finish.
Perfect angle. Test brightness. Looks great.
Perfect angle. Test brightness.
Looks great.
I think we finally got the balance right. Yeah, the reflections on the epoxy look incredible now.
Center it.
Perfect brightness.
Yes, that's balanced.
Center it. Okay.
Perfect brightness.
Yes, that's balanced. Center it.
Perfect brightness.
Yes, that's balanced.
Center it. Perfect brightness.
Yes, that's balanced.
Check the alignment by the seat.
It's flush. Smooth the center, please.
Looks perfect now. Edge aligned, smooth, perfect. Edge aligned, smooth, perfect.
Perfect shine, flawless, looks amazing.
There's a slight imperfection here.
I see it. The finish must be flawless.
It is perfect. Not a single bubble.
Smooth it. Careful here. Smooth it. Careful here. Smooth it. Careful here. Smooth it. Careful here.
Focus here. Smooth it out.
Check this corner.
Focus here, smooth it out, check this corner. Focus here, smooth it out, check this corner.
Focus here. Smooth it out. Check this corner.
Center it, adjust. Percy, perfect placement.
Center it, adjust.
Perfect placement. Center it.
Adjust.
Perfect placement.
Set the chair down slowly, right there.
Okay, got it.
I'll start polishing the tables now.
Center it. Align. Perfect placement.
Are we symmetrical with the table?
Looks dead center. Let's set it down gently.
I'll polish the table while you adjust the rug.
Check this dial. Wipe gently. Perfect reflection.
Be careful with this panel. Watch the controls.
Be careful with this panel.
Watch the controls.
Be careful with this panel. Watch the controls.
I can't believe we finished it. It looks incredible.
It really does.
All the hard work paid off.
I still can't believe this used to be an old jet. The epoxy looks amazing.
It truly is a flying mansion now.
Incredible work, gentlemen.
The best restoration we've ever done. Cheers to the team.
You should be very proud of your work here, Mijo.
Thank you. It looks stunning.